everyone, this is CJ over here at Throttle Powersports, located in Swanzey, New Hampshire. Today we're going to take a look at one of our pre-owned units, this 2018 Honda Goldwing with 8,159 miles, passes New Hampshire state inspection, comes equipped with Apple CarPlay, integrated navigation, heated grips and seats, and a premium audio system. The Goldwing features a slick, aerodynamic bodywork finished in candy ardent red. Its touring design blends classic lines with modern touches, offering excellent wind protection and a commanding road presence. Powered by a smooth 1833cc flat-six engine, this bike delivers strong torque and effortless cruising. Whether you're riding solo or two-up, it's built to handle highways and back roads with ease. The Goldwing is ideal for experienced riders and touring enthusiasts who want a reliable, luxurious motorcycle for long trips and weekend escapes. If you're looking for a touring bike that offers top-tier comfort, advanced technology, and legendary Honda reliability, the Goldwing checks every box. It's built to go the distance and keep you smiling every mile. Come check it out at Full Throttle Powersports in Swanzey, New Hampshire. Call 603-357-7999 to learn more or schedule a test ride now.